Any sweet toto na money kill am. So if you want your kpekus to be sweet, my darling, take proper care of it. Your kpekus also need good nutrition. Give your kpekus good nutrition. If your kpekus receive good nutrition, my darling, your kpekus will produce constant water. Your kpekus will never experience dryness. It is because you don't give your kpekus the kind of food that he's supposed to eat. That is the reason why you are experiencing dryness. So if you have been experiencing dryness over the years or over the time as a woman, so this video is going to help you. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the very end. And what I'm here to talk about is okra. Okay, we all know okra is an African vegetable that we all consume, but trust me, this okra that you are seeing on your screen, it has a lot of amazing benefits. It contains a mucilaginous property, with the fact that that mucilaginous property has the ability to reduce friction and facilitate smooth movements, okay, of prick inside your kpekus whenever they are knacking you. And it also has the ability to retain water and keep the surface of your kpekus moist and wet. So because of that, I am going to be teaching you or taking you step by step on how you can consume okra to eradicate dry toto, to eradicate dry kpekus, to make your kpekus juicy, to make your kpekus produce constant water. If this video looks like what you want to watch, my darling, go ahead and like the video, share the video after you watch, and make sure you watch the video to the very end. Okay, let okra be your best vegetable as a woman wey dey carry dry toto up and down, or as a man that your wife dey carry dry toto, your wife kpekus no dey produce water whenever you want to knack. My darling, let okra be her best soup as from today. Do you understand me? There are diverse ways you can consume okra. It's not only when you use it to prepare soup that you can consume okra. What is that thing that is special in okra that is capable of making kpekus to produce water, that is capable of making kpekus to be wet at all time whenever you guys want to do kiriwa? Okra contains a mucilaginous property, and any food item that contains a mucilaginous property, it has the ability to reduce friction and facilitate smooth movement during knacking. Some of you will be wondering that why is it that whenever your man puts his big man inside your kpekus, you see that the things go in smoothly and move smoothly inside your honey pot? Is as the result of the fact that your kpekus himself has a mucilaginous property. Okay, and any food item that also contains a mucilaginous property, it has the ability to retain water by keeping the surface, the opening of your kpekus moist and wet. That is the reason why okra is very, very important for you to consume. It is not only okra that contains a mucilaginous property. Aloe vera also contains a mucilaginous property. Mushroom, if you are the type that consume mushroom or aloe vera, you are still going to be getting the same benefit you are going to be getting from okra. You can get powder okra, you can get capsule okra. Do you understand me? So number one way you can consume okra to prevent dryness of V and make your kpekus juicy at all time whenever they want to knack you is you can get okra pod. Okay, just be looking at the screen. Okay, you can get okra pod and slice it into pieces. When you slice it into pieces, soak it overnight. When you soak it overnight, in the morning you strain it, then you drink the water that you strained from that okra in the morning. Do it 2 to 3 times in a week, my darling. You will come back and thank Rhoda-b, just like the way you are seeing it on the screen. That is the way you are going to do it. You can just get 2 to 3 pod of okra, slice it, soak it overnight, in the morning strain it and drink the water. Repeat that on daily basis for potential benefits. You will come back with testimony. That is number one way you can consume okra to prevent you having dry toto. Your kpekus is always going to be juicy. Is that taken? Number 2 step is okra tea. All you have to do is for you to pluck the leaf of okra. When you pluck the leaf of okra, maybe like 2 or 3, 4 leaf, put it inside hot water, allow it to steam together. After it steam together 5 to 7 minutes, strain it. When you strain it, drink the water like tea. Drink it up to 2 to 3 times in a day. my darling, you are going to see massive changes. I repeat, pluck okra leaf, okay, put it, infuse it inside hot water or put it inside hot water, allow it to steam together 5 to 7 minutes, strain it, drink it like tea, okay, drink it like tea 2 to 3 times in a day on a daily basis. You will come back and thank me. Number 3 step is okra soup, okay. You can prepare okra with vegetable. Do you understand me? Spice it with a lot of spices, with meat and all of that, you know, to your taste. Consume that 2 to 3 times in a week. You are going to also see improvement in your V area. Your V area is always going to be juicy. You are not going to be experiencing dryness in your V area again. The last step is okra capsule or okra powder, okay. I have said it earlier that okra comes both in fresh, capsule and powder. I have said it severally that okra is used to treat a lot of illness traditionally. So they have okra capsule and they also have okra powder. You can complain to your healthcare professional when you tell them that you are experiencing dryness in your V area, that your kpekus is always dry or your kpekus is not juicy. They will prescribe okra powder or okra capsule for you to take under the supervision of your healthcare professional. Do you understand me? Despite the fact that okra contains this amazing health benefit, that does not mean that you should use it to replace medical treatment. If you continue to experience dryness in your V area, it's important you seek for medical attention. One thing I want you to take note is that individual results might be different, okay. Like me now, I might just take ordinary the tea, okay, which is the putting of the leaves inside hot water, allow it to steam for 5 to 7 minutes, then strain the water and drink it 2 to 3 times in a day. I might drink it for straight 1 week and my kpekus will continue producing constant water. The thing will continue being juicy. Another person might take it straight up a week. You might not really be juicy like that. That is because everybody body system differs. Do you understand me? And the level of your kpekus dryness is different from the level of my own kpekus dryness. Mine might be minus and yours might be severe. So if you are the type that experience severe kpekus dryness, okay, your results that you are going to be getting is going to be different from the result of someone that just experienced minor kpekus dryness. Is that taken? If you are a man watching this video, biko, share this video with your partner because it's very, very important you take proper care of your V. I used to say that your V is like your workshop. Without that V, you are an incomplete woman. Do you understand me? If your V does not produce water, it's going to make your man cheat, because a kpekus that does not produce water, for sure the man is not even going to be able to penetrate, and if at all he forces his way in, you are going to be experiencing pain. Him too is going to be experiencing pain, because dry toto dey peel cassava. You understand me? Dry toto dey peel prick. Go ahead and hit the subscription bell to join the family. And if you are my returning subscriber, God bless you. Rhoda-b, love you all from the bottom of our hearts. This actually brings us to the end of this video. I remain your humble girl, Rhoda-b TV. Till I come your way next time. Bye. Mwah.